They were taking a look at some condos in a really nice up and coming area in Manila. So let's check it out.
Verification successful.
Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me, can I show some condos that are a little bit more spacious and a little bit more upscale? So that's what we're taking a look at today. These are actually for rent right now in this brand new condo development called Bayshore Resorts. And if you've ever wanted to get a feel for what these condos were like to stay in, these are actually on rent for Airbnb right now. I'm pretty sure if you ask the host, could you rent these on, a more long-term basis or even a mid-term basis, they might agree to it. But I'll put all of their info below just in case you want to reach out to the host. I thought it would be fun to add some variety to this condo tour. So we're checking out this 1-bedroom. We have a 2-bedroom coming up and one of their massive 3-bedrooms. Because on my previous video, a lot of people were saying some of the condos that I had toured were way too small. And I understand that out here in the Philippines, some of the condos are going to be on the smaller side. So if you are a person needing more space, maybe you have a family, some kids or pets, or maybe you just like larger spaces and that's what you're more accustomed to, this would actually be a good fit if you're willing to pay that price. And for the amenities, you have this beautiful infinity pool. This unit actually has a pool view. You've got a balcony. The gym is still being worked on, so I wasn't able to get shots of the gym. And in terms of the overall space, if we're thinking about the square meters to square footage, this could be comparable to a standard apartment that you would find in the West, specifically United States. But now we're taking a look at their 2-bedrooms, so let's get into it. In case you're wondering, these units did not come furnished. I know it's common for condos to come furnished out here in the Philippines. However, since the unit owner is doing Airbnb, they actually furnished everything themselves. By the way, if you have a condo in the Philippines for rent, or if you're doing Airbnb and you have a property you'd like me to feature on the channel, shoot me a DM on Instagram or send me an email. Would love to feature more beautiful properties with my audience. Once again, we have a balcony with a pool view. The only request I have for this floor plan, I just wish it was set up roommate style. I don't know about you, but I'm not a big fan of the bedrooms being so close to each other. But what do you think? Is that something that would bother you? Let me know in the comment section. In terms of location, you are located right next to Okada Casino, and there's a 7-Eleven that's within walking distance. You also have Ayala Malls, which is about a 5 to 10 minute drive from the condo, and then the airport is approximately 11 minutes away. And I believe MOA is about 12 to 15 minutes away as well. So location-wise, it's not too bad. You have close proximity to a lot of different things in the area. Now we're taking a look at this massive 3-bedroom. And technically, I would count this as a 4-bedroom because the maid's quarters could be converted into another bedroom. I absolutely love this floor plan, primarily because all of the rooms face the bay view. You have this nice galley kitchen with a stovetop or cooktop and an oven. Tons and tons of countertop space. Now, for me, this is too big of a space. It would just be me and my girlfriend. But, if I had a family, if I had a couple of kids, maybe 2, 3, 4 kids, I could see myself getting a space like this, especially if I know I'm going to have family members come from the States to visit me. I think this would be a perfect space. And once again, here's that amazing bay view. I mean, just imagine the sunrises and the sunsets from here. Beautiful. Okay, so we had so much fun filming the previous day that the host for those condo units reached out and asked if we wanted to tour his condo in the McKinley Hills area. So, of course, we said yes. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo located in McKinley Hills, right by the Venice Mall. So you're in close proximity to the Venice Mall and you're not too far off from BGC, which is pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Were these condos worth the price, and what other areas or condos should I check out in the Philippines? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, I appreciate the love and support that y'all show this channel and can't wait to show you the next video. Anyways, take care. God bless.